Good morning to all. Today we will discuss about what is the meaning of grade and grading system. Marks indicate raw scores in a test. A raw score on a test has practically little significance without additional data for interpreting it. Raw scores or marks only indicates measurement and do not carry meaning attached. Grades on the other hand are indicates of evaluation, signifying that value judgment have been placed with the help of examination criteria. In all the methods of grading, an attempt is made to identify relatively uniform score intervals in a hierarchical order from very poor to understanding or superior performance. So then to each score range, a symbol, mostly a letter, is associated to indicate the corresponding level of performance. However, the size of the score range depends on the reliability objectives of the test. So now what is the definition of grades? Grades are standardized measurement of varying levels of comprehension within a subject area. Dictionary of Wikipedia is given this definition. So thus grades are the criteria in which students' marks are placed and judged. So grades can be assigned in letters, for example A, B, C, D or F as a range from example 91 to 100, 81 to 90. As descriptors: excellent, great, satisfactory, needs improvement. In percentage or as is common in some post-secondary institutions as a grade point average. GPA means what? Grade point average. The GPA can be used by potential employers or further post-secondary institutions to assess and compare applicants. A cumulative grade point average, CGPA. Cumulative grade point average is the mean GPA from all academic terms within a given academic duration, whereas the GPA may only refer to one term. So this is what is the meaning of grade and the definition of grade. Thank you.